Hello dear parents, welcome to Literacy Explored Pre-Nursery Activity Kit. So today's letter is G. We are going to learn about letter G. G sounds G, G, goat. G sounds G, guitar. G sounds G, gate. So use this door to make this G by this door. Do this by their own self. So this we have made this G by this door, and now with the again same process we have to do this to another letter, and another letter is H. Again use the same process of door on this H. It sounds H, hippopotamus. It sounds H, horse. It sounds H, hammer. So our third letter is E. I sounds E. I for E, igloo. I for E, ink pot. I says E, iguana. Again use this same toe on this letter I. Now third thing is letters to picture matching. Now G, we have learned about letter G. G for gay. Is this G? G for girl. And this is goat. G for goat. It sounds her handkerchief. Her hand, her horse. And now our third letter is I. I for igloo. I for iguana. I for India. India is a country. Thank you.